So what is difference between euchromatin and the heterochromatin? So basically the difference between the euchromatin and the heterochromatin is based on their packaging. Euchromatin is less densely packed, so they are loose, and the heterochromatins are more densely packed and they are very tight. Okay, so because of that tightness, because of the density, they are their transcription activity, their transcription capacity is base. So basically euchromatin is very less densely packed, so the transcription is more active. Okay, and the heterochromatin is more tightly packed, so their uh, transcription activity, their transcription capacity is very less, so they are transcriptionally inactive, they are transcriptionally silent. Okay, so basically the uh, euchromatin basically more involved in the transcription, and they basically do the role of the genome in making the RNA or mRNA. Okay, so though they are euchromatin are less densely packed, so though they stain also more less densely. Heterochromatin is stains densely packed, so they stain also more densely, and basis on it the euchromatin we called it as a permissive chromatin, and the heterochromatin we called it as depressive chromatin. Basically it state that the it more active and the heterochromatin is less active, or it inhibit the transcription. Okay, nothing else. So this is the basic difference between the euchromatin and the heterochromatin. Okay, I give a simple example. If you know the epigenetics, in epigenetics there is a one concept that about gene expression, in that we de-acylated the histone basically positively charged, and the DNA is negatively charged, so they come closer tightly, but we have to express that gene. So we de-acylated the histones and give them negative charge, more and more negative charge, so they get looser from the DNA. So they get looser from the DNA and less tight from the DNA, so they express more, so become the euchromatin. So we use this phenomenon of heterochromatin and euchromatin in that epigenetics, in the de-acylating the that histone. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the euchromatin and the heterochromatin. Thank you.